Writing a data management plan, often called a DMP. On the library's website, you can search for and find the Guide to Data Management and Planning to learn more about the process. On the Writing a DMP tab, you'll find a link out to dmptool.org. You can also just go straight to dmptool.org. There, you'll use Sign In through your institution to log in with your Texas State University Net ID. First thing, create your account. And then fill in your profile. An ORCID is a researcher ID that many funders and publications use to help you track your work. We have information on the library about how to get an ORCID ID if you don't already have one. All this profile information will populate all your DMPs later, so it is worth the time to fill it out now. Okay, now you're ready. Choose Create Plan at the top and type in a title for your research project. The most effective way to start a DMP is by first choosing your funder. DMP has templates and tools from the funders themselves, so take advantage of that advice. If your funder isn't listed, choose the box to the right, which will then fill out your DMP with a comprehensive list of questions that show up in most. We're going to use a sample funder for the purpose of this video. Once you have the funding organization, choose the template. Fill out the project details so that when the DMP is exported, it's ready to submit. View the plan overview to prepare for the questions that will be asked as you write. And then click Write Plan when you're ready. Each section uses the questions that you saw in the plan overview. Each section also has guidance given from dmptool.org, from your institution, and from the funder. Click to view the specific guidance. Some will open in a new window, and some of them are viewed on the screen. Here's an example where sometimes even sample language that you can copy and paste is provided. Once you've finished, if you have collaborators, feel free to use the Share function. And when you're ready, click Download, select your document attributes such as font size, margins, etc., and download your completed DMP ready to submit. If you need any help with your DMP, publishing your data, or just want to learn more, email digitalcollections@txstate.edu.